So I guess Grindr is the new upcoming hookup website or hookup place for people, because this story is very shocking to me. I guess because I've been off the market for a long time, and internet dating and internet hookups have been becoming so popular. I have not been paying attention much to, and it says that HIV positive gay British man has been convicted of deliberately infecting male partners with a disease that has been sentenced to life imprisonment with a minimum term of 12 years. According to BBC report, 27-year-old Daryl Rowe infected 5 men he had sex with and also sabotaged condoms of another 5 men in Britain and Northumberland. Rowe, whose crimes were branded a hateful campaign of slave violence, is the first man in the UK to be found guilty of intentionally acting to spread the virus. Rowe met the man using gay dating app Grindr and had sex with 8 of them in Britain between October 2015 and February 2016 before moving to Northern Cumberland after he was hunted by police. He then targeted 2 more men. Rowe then sent the men text messages after the act, making jokes and letting them know he was HIV positive. Rowe from Britain was convicted of 5 counts of causing grievous bodily harm and 5 counts of attempted grievous bodily harm. His victims said that they learned of their conditions. They consider suicide, suffering psychologically and physical damage. On Monday, Grindr announced it would stop sharing its users' HIV status with analytic companies. Chief Security Officer Bruce Gates told BuzzFeed News on Monday it decided to stop sharing information with localists to allay people's fear. Localists and optimism were paid to test and monitor how the app is used. The company says the firm are under strict contractual terms that provide for the highest level of confidentiality. Grindr says that the data may include location or information from HIV status fields are always transmitted securely with encryption. Grindr said it's important to remember it is a public forum and users have the option to post information about their HIV status and date when they last tested. It says the user should carefully consider what information they list in their profiles. So I guess Grindr allows you to put your HIV status and when you last got tested for sexually transmitted disease and infections on the app. Quite frankly, I feel like people are playing with their lives when they go on these dating sites and dating websites looking for hookups, because there's no need for you to go on a website looking for somebody to be with or somebody to have a long-term relationship. And if you're looking for a commitment, then that should come afterwards, after you build a friendship, communication, you build a lot of things. That shouldn't be at the forefront. But then again, I'm a bit old school, so I don't understand any of these apps. Most of these apps now, like Grindr and Tinder, are just for hookups. I don't hear anybody of I don't hear of anyone that's actually in long-term committed relationships that have found each other on any of these apps. So I digress. But this is what I've been talking about, and I'm going to correlate this with Jamaica, because there are people in Jamaica that do the same thing. They willingly and knowingly spread HIV and AIDS, and the Jamaican government don't do anything. They have laws against boogery and gays and lesbians in Jamaica, but they don't have any laws to prevent the spreading of HIV like this. Like, it kills me every time I talk about it, and every time I mention it, and every time I see a story like this in the media, because I know that a lot of people, not a lot, some people in Jamaica that are willingly going around spreading this disease, and they don't have any consequences, and they're not being held accountable. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this story. Tell me if you think he deserved life imprisonment. I personally do. I feel like he should rot in jail, actually, because he ruined about 8 people's life. And do you think that Jamaica and the Jamaican government need to actually put into legislation laws to protect other people from crimes like these that happen continuously in our country and that goes unnoticed? Like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. One part of here, man. Deuces.